So the main, mainly this biodiversity mainly important for the health of the ecosystem and also the functioning of the climate. Mainly it provides biodiversity mainly provides services like air quality and purity, climate and season, and also for the water purification, pollination and seed dispersal, and also the prevention of erosions. So non-material benefits of this biodiversity, so generally for the spiritual value or aesthetic value, and also for the education and also the knowledge system. So agriculture in mainly for the recovery when dominant cultivars are attacked by the diseases or pest. So mainly this biodiversity which is also act as a storehouse of the germplasm. So 80% of humans food supply which comes from 20 kinds of plants, but mainly humans uses at least 40,000 species. So there are more plant products to be discovered from the diversity. So it is also used for the support in the drug discovery, and mainly the most of the drugs which are mainly derived directly or indirectly from this biological resources, that is from the medicinal plants. So 50% of drugs used in US are derived from the biodiversity, and 80%, more than 80% of the world population mainly depends on the medicines from the nature. So many industrial materials also which are also derived from the biological sources. So these include building materials, fibers, dyes, rubbers, oils, etc. So they also provide security of resources such as the water, timber, paper, fiber, and also the food. So which also biodiversity which also support leisure activities like bird watching or trekking, and also which also inspires the musicians and painters and also the writers when we observe the nature. So here also use gardening, fishing, and also the specimen collecting, which may depends on the biodiversity, which also supports many ecosystem services that are not readily visible, but it also regulates the chemistry of our atmosphere and also the water supply. So which also helps in water purification, recycling of nutrients, and also providing the fertile soil. So this is about the importance of biodiversity and uses of biodiversity and types, that is levels of biodiversity and measures of biodiversity. So in next class, we will discuss about the threats of biodiversity and conservation of biodiversity. Okay, sir.
Madam, thank you very much. Your wonderful presentation regarding of our CPGET free online coaching. So our students, our aspirants are enlightened from your topic, your class, madam. Thank you very much. Tomorrow we will meet. Thank you, madam.